My name's Dan Wagner. I'm a senior solutions architect here at KeyCode Media. One of my jobs is to work with our customers that have support contracts with us, and I get to do training and things like that to really help people use the technology that they've got. One of the things that makes me unique here is I happen to be what's known as an ACSR Elite, which means I have 5 different certifications all bundled together into one. I'm also an Avid certified instructor for both ACSR classes as well as editorial classes. My favorite part about working at KeyCode, I like the people that I work with. We've got a great team of people and we can draw upon each other's strengths, so that collaborative spirit's really great.